one leader, one community, one party. One leader, Rigathi Gachagua, one party, DCP, one community, Mount Kenya. He has now decided that to cut down this community to size, he thinks that he can take us the direction of 1992. I am sorry to you, Mr. William Ruto. These wheelbarrows that are coming up, all of them, we know them. First, we knew they are coming, and we know the others that are coming. We saw one that was launched yesterday, and we were waiting for it, because we had been told that there's a wheelbarrow that is coming from Muranga. We knew that it was coming. So it does not come to us as a surprise that you have a new wheelbarrow. We actually know that there is another wheelbarrow that is coming. We know that there is a wheelbarrow that is being prepared in Laikipia. I think in Dionaika Mugu. We know there is another wheelbarrow that is being prepared from Nakuru, and many other wheelbarrows that are coming. That is your strategy number 2. And we can even preempt what will happen, because we know that after these wheelbarrows, you now introduce new presidential candidates from this region to try and divide this mountain. Let me give you very bad news. I don't know whether he's watching. Let me give you very bad news, Mr. William Ruto. Once beaten, twice shy. We were in Ol Kalou. And we even had parties that are our partners in the United Opposition. But the people know who their leader is. The people know which party they belong to. And that is why they were never confused. There were 9 political parties in Ol Kalou. But the people of Ol Kalou voted for the party, their party of choice, 86%. And I want to reiterate and buttress the fact that even those who voted for that UDA candidate, they voted for him because he's the son of a woman. And they voted for him because he's from Ol Kalou. I wish it was William Ruto. I honestly wish it was William Ruto. We would have actually painted the correct picture. So just bring them on. Bring them on. And you know, these wheelbarrows are being registered overnight. Linda Mwananchi has been trying for the last 2 months to register a party, but it has been very difficult. But if you have a wheelbarrow, it can be registered. I hear that the registrar is sleeping at the office trying to register these wheelbarrows. They will be registered, many of them, because it's not very difficult. But we shall name them. This is a blue wheelbarrow. This is a yellow wheelbarrow. This is a whatever wheelbarrow. Actually, that one I hear is it wants to even steer our color so that we can say it's a green wheelbarrow. Whether it is green, yellow, orange, whatever color, a wheelbarrow is a wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is a wheelbarrow. And the way we have been dealing with the big wheelbarrow is the way we will deal with the small wheelbarrows. All wheelbarrows will be dealt with the same.